Game!
Ako po si Priya Ember Arellano Naga. Gagawin ko po ang performance task sa mapping. Good hand washing technique. Una, wet hands with running water. 2. Dispense antibacterial liquid soap into foul. 3. Rub each area together for at least 20 seconds. Palm to palm. Between fingers. Back of hands. Base of thumbs. Back of fingers. Fingernails. Wrist. 4. Rinse hands clean with running water for 10 seconds. 5. Turn off top perfume paper of towel. 6. Dry your hands using disposable paper towels of hot air blow dryer. Tapos na po ang performance task sa mapping.